In today's fast paced sales environment, being first to contact a lead and staying top of mind can mean the difference between closing a deal and losing it. That's why having a streamlined, communication focused CRM is essential. Ringy CRM is built specifically for sales team who need to move fast, stay organized, and automate outreach without sacrificing personalization. Ringy is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform that combines lead management, built-in calling and texting, and automated drip campaigns into one easy-to-use interface. It's especially popular with sales professionals in industries like insurance, real estate, and finance, where follow up speed and persistent communication drive success. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of Ringy, explain the benefits of each, and help you understand why Ringy is a top choice for modern lead management and sales automation. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its lead management dashboard. Ringy offers a visual, easy to navigate lead dashboard where you can see all your contracts, filter by lead status, and track every point of interaction. Leads can be imported manually from integrated sources or captured via web forms and landing pages. You can assign notes, set follow-up tasks, change lead statuses, and schedule communications all in one view. Having a centralized place for all your lead information cuts down on scattered communication and ensures that no prospects slip through the cracks. It also makes it easier for sales reps to prioritize high intent leads and follow a consistent process. Another key feature is the automated drip campaigns. Ringy allows you to build custom drip campaigns that combine automated emails, text messages, and call reminders. You can create sequences based on timing or lead behavior. Campaigns can be paused, modified, or customized for different lead types. Drip campaigns keep prospects engaged over time and eliminate the need for constant manual follow ups. Sales reps can focus on responding to hot leads while the system nurtures cold or lukewarm contacts automatically. Another key feature is the built in calling and texting. Ringy includes VoIP based calling and two-way SMS, so reps can make calls and send text directly from the app, either on desktop or mobile. Each interaction is automatically logged, and you can set up click to call, voicemail drops, and even text templates for faster outreach. This built in communication saves time, reduces tool switching, and ensures every lead touchpoint is tracked. It's especially powerful for high volume teams that rely on outbound calling and need speed and consistency in follow ups. Another key feature is the custom scripts and templates. To help with consistency across your team, Ringy lets you create and store scripts, email templates, and SMS templates. You can tailor messaging for different industries, lead sources, or stages in the sales funnel. Templates speed up outreach while ensuring brand consistency and compliance, especially helpful in regulated industries. They also help new reps ramp up quickly by following proven messaging that converts. Another key feature is the performance analytics and reporting. Ringy offers real time dashboards that track calls made, messages sent, conversions, response rates, and more. You can filter by user, team, or campaign to see what's working and where adjustments are needed. With clear insights into performance, managers can coach their teams more effectively, identify bottlenecks, and refine campaigns based on actual data. It helps turn guesswork into strategy. So, why is Ringy a great choice? Ringy stands out because it combines core CRM functionality with high impact communication tools. Instead of bolting together multiple apps for dialing, texting, emailing, and lead management, Ringy brings everything into one integrated platform. This saves time, simplifies workflows, and makes it easier to scale outreach without sacrificing the personal touch that prospects respond to. It's also highly customizable. Users can set their own statuses, build workflows that reflect their sales process, and automate communications to fit specific industries. Whether you're a solo rep or part of a growing sales team, Ringy is flexible enough to meet your workflow while powerful enough to support high volume lead pipelines. And in 2025, when personalization, timing, and automation are more important than ever, Ringy delivers exactly what modern sales teams need to stay ahead. So basically, Ringy CRM is more than just a place to store contacts. It's a complete communication engine built for lead management. From managing your pipeline and automating touch points to calling and texting directly from the platform, Ringy makes it easier for sales professionals to stay organized and close deals faster. So if you're looking for a CRM that helps you move quickly, stay consistent, and automate without losing the human element, Ringy is a strong and smart investment. With its mobile capabilities, customizable workflows, and real-time analytics, Ringy gives your sales team everything they need to convert leads into clients at scale. So start using Ringy today and bring speed, structure, and results to your sales processes. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.